Alright, y'all, Truckerslife, we back, baby. I got some onions in here, chunked up. I didn't dice them because I want them in chunks. Just making sure they're not stuck together. This one's stuck. Oh no, that's just one big one. No, it isn't. Oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna put some butter. Boom. Garlic. Plug it in. Right behind me. Boom. Cover it. Out. Alright, y'all, while we're waiting on that, we're gonna cut up this nice steak right here. We're gonna slice this up pretty thin. But y'all, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I gotta change this to here because I'm gonna do a taste test today too. The taste test is gonna be part 2 of the video. Well, part 2 is gonna be its own video. Let me put this in here. I'm gonna wash that for nothing, but it is what it is. And alright, y'all, we back. And let me get that. Putting the steak in. As y'all see, got some nice ribeye and New York strips in there. Look at that marbling on that. Yes, beautiful. Mix it around. Separate them. Cooking. Put the seasonings in. Put a little bit more garlic. There we go. That's all of that. White pepper going in. There we go. Salt. Of course, this is Mediterranean sea salt. There we go. Chili powder. That's every day, y'all. Some chili flakes. Oh, excuse me. Put that in there. We got some mushrooms right here, some baby bellas. Alright, y'all, we got the mushrooms. We got them sliced up. They're going in. My chopping board. steak in the butter. There we go. Alright, y'all, we back. Putting the milk in. Let this cook. Actually, we're gonna let this boil. Come to a boil. Let me raise it up. Grab my fork. Mix it around. Mix it around. We're gonna grab this last little bit of Parmesan I have. We're just gonna dump it in here. We're not dump it, but we're gonna put it in here. This is also gonna help thicken the sauce. Mix that around. And of course, y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know this ain't it. But I'll be back. And the last thing we're gonna put in it, some parsley. Hold on. We're gonna leave it on a rolling boil to kind of reduce the sauce a little bit. And when it's done, y'all, we will return. All right, y'all, we back. We're about to finish this up. Well, it's finished. I just gotta plate it up. I mean, grab some noodles. Straight out. Straight in here with this. Grab some of this beautiful steak right on top. Grab some of this parsley. Put some of that on top, make it look decent. Grab a little bit of chili flakes, just a little bit, just to give it some color. There we go. And y'all, this is dinner tonight. Let me know what y'all think. And we got a taste test. Let's check it out. Let's step back because he's about to be wild.
Customer 13, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 8.
Hard to believe that's made in a truck, huh?
It is. Wow. Very good.
Hey, that's what I do. This is how I eat on a regular basis.
Wow. Man, I wish everybody ate this way. I know I didn't eat this way when I was on a truck.
Man, I refuse not to. But all right, man, you have a good night.
You too, bud. Thank you.
Enjoy. I think that was a success again. We're what, 100-0? We ain't had a bad review yet. So hey, let's continue this. Let's grow this channel, y'all. Let's see how many likes I can get on this video. I just gave a former truck driver, a truck stop employee. You see, I'm at a truck stop. Trucks are down here. This is what we do, y'all. This is what my channel's about. It's showing people that we can do this. We can cook good food, great food from scratch in a truck. But hey, It's Trucker's Life, and I'm out.